In this next topic, just a little bit of a PSA, but we're going to just talk about how much does it cost to install a home charging kit or home charger, maybe even wall connector at your house. We'll talk about some real world numbers and give you, if you're in the California area, give you a recommendation for an electrician that we have recommended that can also give you a deal on installing it. So if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. First things first, we've got this Tesla wall connector. Retail price $475. If you're looking for a better deal, send me a DM on Twitter, Instagram, or anything like that. We can get you a better deal. But commonly, these prices that you can get are much better than $475. But just taking a look at this, this is the wall charger that most people are looking to get. And I would say it makes the most sense because it has the Tesla plug or the NACS plug, and it seems like a lot of different OEMs are switching to this NACS plug. So in terms of longevity, I used to think the opposite. I certainly thought getting the wall box was the way to go, and I actually even bought a wall box, but at $700, I'm not sure if it makes too much sense to buy this wall box. I mean, it is a J plug, but you can get adapters and converters, but I'm not sure it actually makes sense. But switching to installation, of course, there's Tesla approved installers, which you probably want to go with, and that's what Smart Plug actually is, a Tesla approved partner with Tesla, and their pricing starts anywhere from $475 to maybe even as low as $450 to $500. It really depends on how far your box is close to the distance of your panel. It's close to the distance on where you want to install it. So if you're interested, hit up Mario. He's a friend at Smart Plug EV, and ask for the Dennis deal to get you hooked up. He travels all over Los Angeles, and he was able to work with us to get a wall charger installed. So definitely check it out. Hit up Mario. But that's really gives you a perspective, because I know a lot of you are wondering all these different costs, all these different things. The wall connector itself is going to run you about $300 to actually like $400, and installation is going to run you about $450 to $500. Yes, there could be incentives depending on where you're at to get it installed, but you really have to check with each state level or even utility company to do that. So just a little bit of a PSA, a little bit of a recommendation. I know a lot of you out there are interested in figuring out all the costs, and I've kind of switched because I definitely used to recommend a wall box 100%. And now I've kind of switched to just using the Tesla one. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it. If you've had a charger installed, how much have you paid in your location and maybe even in your state? Because it could vary. But maybe if California is a little bit on the higher end, or maybe California is on the lower end because of all the different competition and all the different electric vehicles out here. But we're going to jump into the live stream comments. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below in the description is the Patreon link to support the channel. So definitely check it out if you're interested. And New Jersey has no sales tax. Yeah, 100% on EVs. It's a really slick deal to get a electric vehicle in New Jersey. Warren, thanks for coming in. Haven't seen you in a bit. Can I change the yoke steering wheel in the Model 3? Can you change to the yoke? Yeah, there's aftermarket kits. Nothing OEM, but there's definitely a ton of aftermarket yoke steering wheel kits for the Model 3. But thanks for joining in, everybody. Thanks for supporting. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. We're definitely doing a giveaway this coming Friday, so definitely hit that subscribe if you want to join in and get into it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.